Rhodes has got to be more baffled than it began. This is hard to watch. Oh my God. See the tape win. Cody still. Brock Lesnar opened WrestleMania. I honestly have no idea what this is about. As Lesnar, Cody was caught off guard. Never mind before the match started by his own partner. Ironically, ringing the bell and just Brock. No. Brock, no. 100%. And the beast is knows why. We don't need to do this. Whatever happened in Lesnar's mind, he just snapped. What is going on? The beast is now just being. Oh no. Oh my God. All the touches of the beast in Cody Rhodes is semi-conscious right now. Cody from the beast. It can't be done. Brock has decided. Please, somebody. Cody Rhodes is warpath, but what the hell is the meaning of this? Get done! Be there to help him.